Hello everyone. Venus, known as the planet of beauty and femininity, will move into Gemini on June 12, 2024 at 6:15 pm. Venus represents love and marriage, so this transit is especially important. A strong Venus can bring satisfaction, good health, and a strong mind. Those with a strong Venus in their horoscope are likely to experience happiness, success, and comfort along with increased financial prosperity. However, if Venus aligns with challenging planets like Rahu, Ketu, or Mars, it could lead to difficulties. For instance, a Venus Mars combination might cause impulsiveness and aggression. When Venus aligns with malefic planets like Rahu or Ketu, it could result in health issues such as skin problems, insomnia, and swelling. In this video, we will discuss how Venus's transit into Gemini on June 12, 2024 will impact each of the 12 zodiac signs and offer practical tips to handle these effects. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will affect Aries natives. Venus, ruling your 2nd and 7th houses, will move into your 3rd house. This transit could result in financial losses due to negligence and a potential lack of support from friends. In terms of your career, this period may prompt you to change jobs in search of better opportunities, which could lead to greater satisfaction. For those in business, making strategic changes might be necessary for success. Financially, be cautious during travel as there is a risk of losing money. In relationships, you might encounter ego-related issues with your partner requiring careful handling. Health-wise, be prepared for possible expenses related to your partner's well-being. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of this transit, Aries natives are advised to chant Om Shukraya Namaha 21 times daily. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Taurus natives. Venus, ruling your 1st and 6th houses, will move into your 2nd house. This transit may bring increased expenses and challenges to the family values. In your career, this period could lead to significant success. For those in business, there is potential to start multiple ventures and profit from them during this transit. Financially, you might experience substantial gains and be able to save effectively. In relationships, your strong bond and love with your partner will lead to harmonious interactions. Health-wise, you are likely to maintain good health due to a strong immune system. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of this transit, Taurus natives are advised to chant Om Bhargavaya Namaha 33 times daily. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Gemini natives. Venus, ruling your 5th and 12th houses, will move into your 1st house. This transit could lead to increased efforts and a greater comfort in your life, along with a strong desire to travel. In your career, this period might bring you significant recognition and benefits. For those in business, expect high profits and the opportunity to establish yourself firmly in your industry. Financially, this month should be successful with good profits coming your way. In your relationships, you will likely maintain harmony with your partner, and health-wise, you will feel more fit and enthusiastic. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of this transit, Gemini natives are advised to chant the Vishnu Sahasranamam daily. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Cancer natives. Venus, ruling your 4th and 11th houses, will move into your 12th house. This transit might bring family issues and a lack of profits causing worry. In your career, there is a risk of losing your reputation with your superiors, which can be concerning. For those in business, be cautious as profits might decline during this period. Financially, you may face losses and increased expenses. In your relationships, maintaining good values with your partner could be challenging. Health-wise, you might experience pain in your shoulders, ankles, and legs. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of this transit, Cancer natives are advised to perform a puja for planet Rahu on Saturdays. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Leo natives. Venus, ruling your 3rd and 10th houses, will move into your 11th house. This transit promises success and development due to your diligent efforts. In your career, expect significant achievements and recognition. For those in business, this period should bring good profits and increased opportunities for competition. Financially, you are likely to gain a substantial amount of money and be able to save effectively. In your relationships, you will maintain a strong rapport with your partner. Health-wise, you can expect to feel enthusiastic and energetic, contributing to overall well-being. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of this transit, Leo natives are advised to perform a puja for planet Sun on Saturdays. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Virgo natives. Venus, ruling your 2nd and 9th houses, will move into your 10th house. This transit is likely to bring increased financial gains and good luck. In your career, you will uphold your principles and attract new opportunities. For those in business, this period promises greater profits and success. Financially, you might receive more incentives and perks, allowing you to save effectively. In your relationships, you will enjoy a stronger bond with your partner. Health-wise, you are likely to feel enthusiastic and maintain good health during this transit in Gemini. To enhance the positive impact and mitigate the negative effects of this transit, Virgo natives are advised to perform a puja for planet Ketu on Tuesdays. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Libra natives. Venus, ruling your 1st and 8th houses, will move into your 9th house. This transit may lead you to engage more in spiritual activities and related travel. In your career, you might change jobs for better opportunities and possibly get new on-site chances. Financially, expect moderate luck in earning money with a tendency for higher expenses making saving difficult. In your relationships, you will enjoy happy moments with your partner. Health-wise, you will feel confident and determined. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of this transit, Libra natives are advised to perform a puja for planet Rahu on Tuesdays. Let's examine how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Scorpio natives. Venus, ruling your 7th and 12th houses, will move into your 8th house. This transit may lead to disputes with friends and unwanted travel. In your career, expect increased work pressure and stress, which might result in a lack of recognition. For those in business, be cautious as negligence and a wrong approach could lead to losses. Financially, be mindful during travel as there is a risk of losing money. In your relationships, disagreements may cause disputes with your partner. Health-wise, you could experience eye pain and infections. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate negative impacts of this transit, Scorpio natives are advised to chant Om Mandaya Namaha 41 times daily. Let's examine the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will impact Sagittarius natives. Venus, ruling your 6th and 11th houses, will move into your 7th house. This transit might cause unrest in your relationships with your partner and friends. In your career, you may experience increased work pressure and confusion. For those in business, challenges with partners and potential losses could arise. Financially, expect higher expenses and limited opportunities for saving. In your personal relationships, there might be a lack of happiness and bonding with your life partner. Health-wise, you could experience pain in your shoulders and joints. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of this transit, Sagittarius natives are advised to chant Om Namah Shivaya 41 times daily. Let's explore how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will affect Capricorn natives. Venus, governing your 5th and 10th houses, will transition into your 6th house. This may evoke concerns about the future during Venus's journey through Gemini, potentially leading to difficulties in maintaining concentration. In terms of your career, dissatisfaction and unrest might prompt you to consider changing jobs. For those in business, negligence and increased competition could result in losses. Financially, expect higher expenditures, especially related to your children, potentially leading to financial setbacks. In your relationships, lack of trust may lead to more arguments with your life partner. Health-wise, stress could manifest as nerve-related pain. To mitigate the negative effects of this transit and enhance positivity, Capricorn natives are advised to perform a puja for Lord Kalabhairava on Saturdays. Let's delve into how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will influence Aquarius natives. Venus, governing your 4th and 9th houses, will move into your 5th house. This transit is likely to facilitate your development through the use of your intelligence. In terms of your career, expect notable progress as you put in effort and yield positive results. For those in business, sensible planning could lead to increased profits. Financially, anticipate gains in the form of incentives and perks. In your relationships, you will likely exude enthusiasm and affection towards your partner, fostering happiness. Health-wise, you can expect to maintain good health with ample energy. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of this transit, Aquarius natives are advised to chant Om Bhaskaraya Namaha 19 times daily. Let's explore how the Venus transit on June 12, 2024 will affect Pisces natives. Venus, governing your 3rd and 8th houses, will move into your 4th house. This shift might bring discomfort and familial issues, signaling changes in your life during the transit through Gemini. Regarding your career, you might find yourself compelled to switch a new job, even if it's not your preference. In business, expect a mix of gains and losses along with potential threats. Financially, you may find yourself spending more on family needs, making saving a challenge. In your relationships, a lack of satisfaction due to difficulties in adjustment with your partner might arise. Health-wise, rising health problems could lead to increased expenses, making saving money difficult. To mitigate the negative impacts and enhance positivity during this transit, Pisces natives are advised to perform a grand puja for planet Jupiter on Thursdays. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and Namaste.